So guys, did you see I baked bread from Italian bread. Sorry. Pane in casa. Ayan. So you will see that, guys. I'm gonna eat tomorrow. This is bread. I did it. Yummy.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade.
There we go, guys. This is our bread. The Italian bread. This is how to make bread. Ayan. Later, I'm gonna show you. I put some yeast and a little bit salt. So ayan mga kalindog na. Na lang siya. So let's wait until 30 minutes na. So let's make them rest. Yeah. They need to be rest, mga kalindog. Yeah. So that's it. There we go, guys. Gagawa tayo ng bread. Ayan. So, mamasa natin dyan, or we're going to make this dough for the bread. Here we go, guys. I cook also pizza for tonight, mga kalindog. And let's get now our bread that I bake. So there we go. There we go, guys. Our bread is ready. Take it out here. Can't take it off. So wait, mga kalindog, I'll show you. Let's do like this. There we go. So, yan ang kalindog, right? So, look at this, mga kalindog. Oh my God. My bread. So tomorrow. So tomorrow we're gonna eat this and we're gonna slide. Not now because it's still warm. It's not. They cannot cut it. Okay. So see you tomorrow, guys. Now we're going to cut my bread. Look at this, guys. So guys, look at this. Look at this guys. Ayan. Ayan. Oh my God. Look at this, guys. Oh, how so soft. Napaka-soft niya. Very soft and yummy. So, ayan mga kalindog. Look at this. Oh, you see? Beautiful and yummy. That's what I bake. OMG. Oh my God, guys. So guys, let's eat. You see, this is the bread I bake it. You see? And ayan, I'm going to eat a breakfast. Having my breakfast. Look at here. Listen. O, diba? Very croquant. Ayan, o, diba? So, let's enjoy my breakfast. O, diba? Yummy! So, ayan guys, let's eat. So, ayan guys, yung ating binake na bread. O, diba? I baked that, you see? So, let's enjoy mga kalindog. Yummy yan. Let's put some cheese, like the gorgonzola cheese, you see, ayan, meron tayo nito mga kalindog. I like this cheese, oh, show you, ayan, ganito siya. They have the, what do you call that, mupa, ano ba yun? Meron siyang amag, ayan, look at this, buksan natin mga kalindog. Sa inyo, ayan, there we go. They have the I don't know what you call this in English, mga kalindog or guys, but this is yummy, you see. Always eat this. Ayan, very soft. This is it guys, and we need to put some of course, ayan, the mortadella from Italy. This is my favorite, mga kalindog. Mortadella. Ayan, when I was in Rome, I always eat this. This is my my favorite. I do it lunch and always the dinner. So, ayan, di ba? Ang dami. This is too much. Cannot eat it all. Let's give a little bit for the dog. Ayan. So, this is guys. Ayan. This is the bread what I bake. So, ayan. I hope did you enjoy my video guys. And please don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to smile. So, guys, thank you for watching. Bye. I love you all. Welcome. Bye guys.